Good day, sir. I am Jedan Hanbigabao of BSECE 3A1, and this is my output video of ECE 28, Laboratory Activity 8, which demonstrate the function of 74151 multiplexer and 74138 demultiplexer. I will now demonstrate and display the digits starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,